You do not know where opponent will hit. No idea. In order to move to the corner, to the shuttle, which you couldn't expect, your posture must be low, and there must be kind of urgency. And when you do the footwork practice, even more you have to add such feeling to the practice. It looks like, to me, your focus is on how many times, how many minutes you are doing it, the repetition. The most important thing of you are doing it in the real way is not there. Look, your practice, the physical movements, and your mind to make your practice like real, even more than real. You have to practice more than real match. Should be as sharp as the broken glass. But at the moment, it's like the soap in the bathroom. For example, you should change it. Here, there, 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 two, there, there. Hit, ready. Drop shot, ready. Drop shot, ready. Because you really wanted to take it. You're 100% ready to go. There is no even 1% margin. You're allowing, you may not get that one. You do not allow that in your practice. That posture is missing.